Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 14th video we will focus on how to promote unity in South Africa. Promoting unity in South Africa is a complex task as the country is diverse and has a complex history of racial and cultural divisions. However, there are several steps that can be taken to promote unity and social cohesion. 1. Address historical injustices. South Africa has a long history of racial and economic inequality, and addressing these injustices is an important step in promoting unity. This could include policies that promote wealth redistribution, access to education and healthcare, and affirmative action. 2. Promote diversity and tolerance. South Africa is a diverse country with many different cultures and languages. Promoting diversity and tolerance can help to build a sense of unity and shared identity. This could include initiatives to celebrate cultural events and promote cultural exchange. 3. Address discrimination and prejudice. Discrimination and prejudice are major barriers to unity in South Africa. Efforts to address these issues could include education campaigns, anti-discrimination laws, and initiatives to promote understanding and empathy. 4. Encourage dialogue and collaboration. Dialogue and collaboration can help to build bridges between different groups in society. This could include initiatives to bring people together for discussions and joint projects. 5. Build common goals and aspirations. Finally, promoting unity in South Africa will require building a sense of shared goals and aspirations. This could include initiatives that focus on national priorities such as job creation, economic growth, and environmental sustainability. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.